Kissy kiss? Oh no, it was just a dream. Ken wants Barbie to kiss poop.
Why would you do this, Ken?
Barbie wants to get out of here as soon as she can. Ken is such a mean guy for hurting Barbie.
How could he do this to me?
Oh no, Barbie, watch out! Crash!
Ah!
Oh, Barbie had a blunder. Bathroom time is the best time. Oh no! What's that? Hello? Oh, poor Barbie, you're in the toilet covered in gunk. You smell horrendous. Yuck! So much mush. I know. Time to get to work. You see these stinky feet? Luckily, this foot cleaner can definitely work some magic. Scrub hard, leave no poop behind. Squeaky clean. It's your turn, Barbie. You need this more than I do. Scrub-a-dub-dub. We have a lot of work to do here. Let's get this off and wrap you around some fur. Nice. Something's still off. You have pimples. All right, Barbie. Let's do something about those zits. We've got to pop them before they take over your whole face. Squirt. Yes, Barbie. We've got this. Wipe, swipe. Oh, let me get my puking egg toy. He's got it. Guys, sorry, Barbie. There we go. Blah. Enjoying your read, Barbie? You just get yourself occupied while we groom you. Let's get all this old, crinkled hair off. Nice work, friendo. Have a look.
Where is my hair?
Don't you worry, Barbie. I have just a solution. We're gonna give you a whole new do. Pink paradise. Ta-da! Looks amazing. And a cute little hair tie. And some fun additions. You're rocking it.
Wow, how beautiful.
Boopity boop.
Hey, I want big lips too.
You got it, Barbie. All we need is our beautiful hot glue gun. Put the glue in the shape of a heart and color it in. Wowza! Oh no, Barbie! Your armpits are so hairy. It's time we do a little DIY wax. Add the honey. And now the paper. And get ready. Ah! I know. Beauty is pain. Wow!
Hey, don't look at me! I'm indecent! I'm practically naked!
I know what will help. We need a pink balloon. Work some magic. And it's a dress! So pretty. So chic.
You really think so?
Here, have a seat.
I wonder what's next.
I made you some mittens to match your dress.
How exciting! I love it!
A little necklace for the final touch.
This is amazing!
Check out the best sandwich in the world. It's so colorful. Look at the stretch. Nom, nom, nom. Looks like Barbie is taking a little walk. Oh no! She doesn't see the splinter. Barbie, watch out! We need to get you some shoes to protect you. The tinfoil is the perfect material. Let's make some DIY shoes for Barbie. Dig in the pink glue gun. And some pink sparkles. Check out these boots. Toothpicks can add the perfect heel. Go, Barbie, go! Barbie is strutting her stuff all right. Let's see what's next.
I'm hungry! I need some food!
Good thing we have a chef in the house. Time to get cooking. Let's make Barbie the cutest little dish. add pepperoni, this kitchen is absolutely fabulous! Great that she's on the dough. Great work! Bake the pizza in the oven and wait a little. Bon appetit, Barbie!
So yum!
Lollipop, lollipop, don't you just love dipping candy in mini toilets? It's so fun! Uh-oh, looks like Barbie had the pizza and now needs to go to the bathroom in the candy toilet.
I need to poop.
Oh God, Barbie! It can't be around this stink. Let's get you up and at 'em. Smells kinda good. Crunch! This is actually delicious. Look at Barbie just chilling.
La-di-da!
Oh, but her butt is showing. Barbie, you have no underwear. Earwax can help clean your tush up. Let's get this off and get these on. Now you're covered and protected. Snore, more snore. Barbie has to protect herself from the drool.
Hey, wake up!
What's going on?
I got you a pretty pink cake.
Wow, Barbie, I love it! Make a wish! Hey, what's that? Oh my goodness! It's Huggy Wuggy! Hackster, what a great surprise! Let's get you all cleaned up. You've got icing all over you! Scrub-a-dub-dub! We want you looking your best! Here, sit next to Barbie! I have a feeling you two will get along great! Oh my gosh, Barbie and Huggy are pregnant? Is it a boy or girl? Girl! Oh no, her water broke! Breathe, Barbie, breathe! You got this! The doctor is in, and I'll get you covered! Barbie is in so much pain! She's about to have a baby! I think she's here! Wow! So cute!
Where is my baby?
Mom and daughter united for the first time!
Oh no!
Looks like it's Ken's baby! And Barbie's worried about Huggy leaving her! Come here, baby! Let's get you a cute new setup! Add the little feet. And some bunny ears. I'll use my eyelashes to make yours pop. Play-Doh works wonders for baby clothes. Now you're all pink and cute, like your mommy, Barbie.
It's so adorable.
Huggy Wuggy is back too. Oh no, the baby's crying.
Help!
Oh no, a crying baby needs a carriage to rest. You can DIY and use an old mini gift box. Check it out. The box is like a crib. Just add some blankets and use popsicle sticks and bottle caps to make the wheels. Add the finishing touches in a sun protector, and this carriage is good to go.
Relax, little baby. Stop crying, please. I'm tired.
Oh, what's this? Poop in a litter box. Let's get these out of here. Gross! But I can take the litter out. And add some water. And some much-needed foam. And finally, let Barbie and Huggy have a little rest time. Self-care is the best. Ooh, intimate lighting. Barbie and Huggy can finally get some alone time.
So pretty. But her hair, it's still so gross. Ew, I haven't cleaned under the bed forever. Found just what I need. Let's shave all this off. Say bye to the slime. Ah, so pretty. This Barbie needs some clothes. Let's see what we got. Ew. Let's take this off here. Do a bit of creative snipping. And… oh, Barbie. Sorry, I won't peek. Let me slide on your new dress. Good looking, my gal pal. Jaw-dropping. Really? I'll need to take off these elastic bands. First things first, let's apply some super glue lip gloss. Now your lips match your dress. Let's just pull this out. Give it a little cut. And look at her coiffure. Just keep adding till finished. She's the trendiest gal in town! Wait, what? What's all this? Wow! It's a trail of candy! Skittles, my favorite! Army crawl to the rainbow! Wow! Let's get this bowl out! Collect the Skittles and really have some fun! Line them up! Add water! Water helps the colors from Skittles dilute. It's like a little water rainbow! Let's give Barbie some time to absorb her new colors. Oh wow, she's quite a stunner! And it looks like she knows it too. Look at her go! We really did a good job. No! Boom! Barbie! Mommy! Yes, baby? What the? My Barbie! Can't fix her? No! Emergency! Oh, sweetie! Poor baby! She gets a life-size dolly! Thank you, Mommy! Phone, please! It's selfie time! Barbara, say hi! Looks too real! Barbie, let's have a baby! Dr. Ken? You, know what you're doing there? Okie dokie! Reading vitals. Got it! He's going in! C-section on 3! Don't be scared. Just add ketchup! Barbie! Oh! Oh, just Mary's ketchup. We're in. Rubber ducky is always the one. Ooh, what's this? A cute cloud bath bomb? Let's see what it does. Look at all those colors bubbling and oozing. Beautiful! Oh, wow! Check this out! Who do we have here in the toilet today? Oh my gosh! She's covered in slime! Ew! I know! I'll fix her up right away! Get these doctor gloves and start a poppin'! Pop! 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 Dang! She's really been there a while! Wipe, wipe! Wow! She looks good as new! Oh wait! A hole on the bottom? I know! Just grab a balloon. Stick it through. Add the details and… you've got yourself a hot new toy! Cool! And makeup with stickers is the best! Check you out now! There we go! Now Barbie is ready for a swim! Look at her go! Barbie, she looks like she's struggling. Oh no! We have to save the day! Let's see. Wow! A pop tube is always the right answer. Let's get that tube done. Get our pink flamingo going. And build our floaty. perfect fit. Check out Barbie, all safely secured. I know exactly what to do. Let's put our little Huggy Wuggy to good use. Let's build her tummy. Add glue. And help Barbie really have the best pregnancy. Snip it up and shape the stomach. Check out our little design! It's a show of what's to come. Wow! Now she really is a mom! Yay! I just love presents! What can I do with this? I know! That's what a glue gun is for! And colorful cotton balls! Now the shirt is more like it! Gross! Her pits smell like the gym! Achoo! Oh gosh! Huh? Wow! Just what we need! Let's give her a little wax! Oh, yikes! Don't need that anymore. Just a day in the life.
Oh my, what's happening?
Barbie, you're burning up! Let me use this cap. My handy-dandy hot glue gun. And add this string. Keep turning. Yes, it's the perfect little hat.
Isn't that much better?
Do you hear that? Ooh, sounds like a party. I want to dance. Hey there, ladies. Mind if I borrow some pom-poms? Let's line these up on a string. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, it's so pretty. Be sure to put a poof ball at the end. It's now a decoration for the kitty house. Check it out. It's a party house now. I love it so much! I think Kitty will have so much fun playing. Man, but her face is still all covered. No problem. That's what all-in-one protection toothpaste is for. Let's pull her out. Drizzle some water and lather her up. Here we are. Clean Barbie, meet dirty Barbie. Let's give her a hand. And some sparkle. Brush her up. She's starting to look as good as new!